Underwater diving is a great experience. The blissful experience of swimming with the fishes in the blue waters of the ocean, discovering the underwater world is truly an incredible feeling and completely different from the earth as you know it. Could be an experience of a lifetime till you see a shark swimming at a distance. You are scared for your life now. Should you stay still? Should you try to swim away or fight back? What do you do when you see a shark? In today's episode, we are going to discuss how to survive a shark attack. But before we begin the episode, this is a very small YouTube channel, so if you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and help the channel grow. There are 375 different types of sharks recorded, out of which 12 are particularly dangerous. And out of those 12, 3 are very harmful to humans. They are the bull shark, great white shark, and the tiger shark. But the odds of you being attacked by a shark is around 1 in 11.5 million chances. Now that being said, there are a number of steps that could be taken by you to increase your chances of not being attacked by a shark. Let's look at how you can avoid an attack from a shark in the first place. River mouths may not be the best place to swim. Avoiding estuaries, particularly where the bull shark, which along with the great whites and tiger sharks are most likely to attack humans. An awful lot of attacks occur in the river mouths where there is slit and other materials in suspension in the river. People washing their clothes and people washing themselves. Avoid river mouths. Point number 2. Avoid areas where there are fishing boats. Before diving into the water, just look around. What do you see? If you see fishing boats, then forget swimming there. If fishermen are trying to catch a fish or struggling with the fish in water, that's one of the prime attractors for a shark. It is highly likely that the fish would be emitting fluids, leaking blood and acids, and all the signals could attract a shark. Therefore, putting chum in the water and bringing around sharks is something that fishermen do. So avoid areas where there are fishermen. Don't bleed or pee in the water. Sharks have an extraordinary sense of smell and can detect a drop of blood in an Olympic-sized pool. Blood indicates the presence of something to eat and may attract sharks. Like blood, urine also has the same effect. Swimming early in the morning or late at night can be lovely, but it's also a time when a shark attack is most likely because unlike you, sharks have better visibility in darkness. Be cautious and aware. Always try to see around you, and if you see a shark at a distance, gradually swim away. If you are outside of the water but your friend is in water and you do see a shark approaching, you do see the shark fin approaching towards your friend, then make sound to make your friend aware. Shout and also inform the people around you that there is a shark out there so that everybody becomes aware. However, even after taking these protective steps, you could be at a danger of a shark attack. What do you do if a shark is actually attacking you? Be calm, don't panic, and don't start splashing water. The more you splash water, the more the shark is going to get interested at you and come for a bite. Always maintain your eye contact with the shark. Sharks are ambush attackers. Stay small if the shark is far away from you to attract less attention, and if the shark is near you, spread your arms and get big. The more big you get inside water, the more respect you get, like a rock star. Cut off the attack angles by getting your back against something, maybe a coral reef, so that the shark cannot attack you from behind. Very slowly back away, displacing the least amount of water possible. No thrashing and no splashing. Gradually swim away from the shark towards the shore. You must try and keep the animal in sight and very slowly and gently try and swim and get into shallow waters. Again, you have got to be very careful. Sharks can attack in very shallow depths also. Okay, in case the shark is on you, don't play dead. It's a shark, not a bear. If you find yourself in an aggressive encounter, give it hell. Punch, kick, poke at sensitive spots. But be careful where you aim. The shark and you both will be underwater and moving, and aiming is not going to be easy. The sensitive areas of the shark are the nose, eyes and the gills. But don't miss hit a punch on the nose. because below that is the mouth. Turn anything that you have into a weapon, snorkeling equipments, camera, anything. But sadly, if a shark is in a full attack mode, there is not much you are going to be able to do at that point. There were 72 unprovoked attacks last year and 3 of them were fatal. There were 2 deaths in Australia, 1 death in South Africa. Do you know that bees, horses and dogs and spiders kill a lot more people than sharks do? So enjoy your swimming, and if a shark attacks you, remember what I said in the video. If you like the video, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and smash the like button. Thank you.